Welcome to Amya channel. My children are ready to study today. We have already discussed positive acceleration, negative acceleration, and zero acceleration. And they have already written tests related to those questions. And whatever numericals they have done it very nicely. And those children who are having doubt in those sections, today I'm going to clear some of the doubts related to that. Okay. So first work is we will go to velocity and related to questions. So first question solving session. Okay, because Krisha and some children were there, they did very well, but only numerical they did mistake. So I don't want a single of my children, single child of mine should do that mistake. So I have to discuss that one. Everybody ready? Ready? Your notebook is there with you? Okay, Kanishka is telling yes, auntie, I'm ready. I hope everyone already joined. Okay, Sarmila was asking. A link. I had no time to give her. Okay, Krisha, very good, beta. God bless you. So Krisha is a rock star. She's a fighter. She can do it. So definitely Krisha will score more in this test and she'll give tough competition to everyone. Fine. So now first question is, let me explain the question one by one. Okay. So today I will explain each and every question better nicely so that you will be able to do it and solve it nicely. Now, first question is a bus starts, sorry, I told stand. A bus starts from rest, okay, and attains a speed and attains ATTAINS, attains a speed of 36 kilometer per hour, 36 kilometer per hour in 10 minutes. Okay, while moving with uniform, while moving with uniform acceleration. Oh, acceleration is uniform given. Calculate the acceleration of bus. Calculate the acceleration of bus. Ekta is there. Ekta, good morning, good afternoon, beta. Where are you? So calculate the acceleration of bus. Acceleration of bus. So all my children are ready for this question. So look here, beta. First, we will see what we have to do in this question. Okay, very good, beta. So I want these children are rock stars because you have given me a hope that you can definitely take out competitions. Because now this level you are solving numericals and you are getting acquainted. This means in few years you will become rock stars. Okay, so beta, I don't know how to draw a bus, but definitely I'll try my level best. So this is Khushbu auntie's bus, special bus. Okay, she knows only this much to draw. So definitely for her bus started. Good afternoon, beta. Now look here, bus started from A. But at the time of starting the bus, uniform velocity means acceleration, sorry, velocity is zero because thank you, beta. So bus is exactly having initial velocity zero because the bus is starting at rest, from rest. So since the very good Ashwin, very good, Kanishka. These children are telling, Krisha, listen to me nicely, beta. Krisha, listen to me nicely. Since the bus is starting from rest, because of that, here bus is exactly having zero velocity because was at rest and now bus decided to start. So now, after that, bus attained a speed of, so at B, what is the speed of the bus? The bus is attaining a speed of 36 kilometer per hour. Okay, and for how much time it took? Time taken is 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, bus is exactly attaining a speed of 36 kilometer per hour. So first work is to convert it into that unit where we can be able to solve it. because every unit is here and there. Nothing we are knowing right now. So first speed given is, we will convert it into simpler one, beta. Listen, Darshini, you are absolutely correct, beta. We will do one thing. We will convert time in seconds. So look here. First, see what strategy I am doing. Naresh, everyone look here, beta. See, Vishal is there. Vishal, Naresh, everyone listen to me, beta. So understand the strategy here. Okay, strategy. Merunisa is there. Children, just tell me, yes, auntie, I am present. So here beta speed given is 36 kilometer per hour. Now beta first what we will do, we will convert it into meter per second. You know 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, 1 kilometer per hour. Question is, listen to me. Question is, a bus is there. Darshini's school bus is there. Now understand this nicely. Correct only. Who gave Ashwin, Kanishka? Absolutely correct, beta. Now listen to me nicely. Children, focus here and listen to me nicely. A bus is there and the bus is starting from rest. From where the bus is starting? Quickly tell me. The bus is starting from rest. So since the bus is starting from rest, its initial velocity is 0. So u is equal to 0 is indicating what? That the bus is starting from initial velocity. So exactly what Darshini did is, Darshini is driving a bus. So for Darshini, the bus was exactly at rest. And after that, what Darshini did? After that, what Darshini did is, she started in 10 minutes, her speed was 36 kilometer per hour. So now they are asking, after 10 minutes, velocity of Darshini's bus is 36 kilometer per hour. Okay, so 36 kilometer per hour. So Darshini, what is the acceleration? Darshini, what is the acceleration? That means what? You think that you were driving a bus. First, your bus was exactly at rest. First, what was there? Your bus was exactly at rest. Very good, Kanishka. Super, fabulous piece of work. You have written the correct equation, what you want. Okay, so when the bus was at rest, it was exactly having uniform velocity 0, and after 10 minutes its velocity is 36 kilometer per hour. But beta, all units are different here. Time unit is different given, velocity is different given, so we have to convert everything into one unit. So for that, what we will do, speed is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. We know 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18. So now we converted it into meter per second. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36. So now it is having exactly the speed of the bus is 10 meter per second. So final velocity is 10 meter per second. Okay, so now final velocity is 10 meter per second. I wrote here speed, so nothing to worry about. So it is exactly 10 meter per second. Now time taken is 10 minutes. Shall we convert 10 minute into second? Because now here unit is second. So we know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 10 minute is equal to 600 seconds. 1 minute 60 seconds, 10 minutes 600 seconds. Now we have to find acceleration. Acceleration formula is final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So final velocity is 10, initial velocity is 0, and time here is 600 seconds. So now it is meter per second. So now this one will become 10 by 600. 0, 0 cancel. Meter per second square. So it is coming 1 by 60 meter per second square. Sharmila is there in group? Fine. Okay, beta, understood everyone. So here, this is how you have to solve. Okay, my children understood how to solve this one. Okay, I hope my children understood how to solve this question. Bus start from rest and attain a speed of 36 kilometer per hour, and after some time, it is exactly. So now the understood, beta. Understood everyone? Tell me fast. Understood everyone? Tell me fast. Okay. Okay, Vinith is telling definitely. Kanishka understood. I'll explain one more time, beta. Don't worry. Listen. So content here is, okay, first tell me Sharmila is there in the group. Okay, she's there in the group. Fine. Now listen, I will explain one more time. See, content here is Khushbu auntie is having a bus, and now instead of Darshini, Khushbu auntie is driving. So what she did is she started from A point and the bus was at rest. So since the bus was at rest, so its uniform initial velocity will become zero. And when after 10 minutes, the bus is having a velocity of 36 kilometer per hour. After 10 minutes, it is just like beta when you start your cycle. Okay, understood, beta. Thank you, Kanishka. It is what, beta, when you start your cycle, the time you are starting the cycle now, at that time it is having zero velocity. Okay, but after 10 minutes, you are having a velocity of 36 kilometer per hour. That means what? After 10 minutes, then they are asking that in this starting to 10-minute time, what is the acceleration of your cycle? What is the acceleration of your cycle? So first work is to find final velocity. Final velocity given here is beta. Final velocity given here is exactly 36 kilometer per hour. So first work was to convert it into simple unit. Yes, beta, it is Darshini. It is absolutely correct. Increase in speed is there. Super. So what we did, we converted 36 kilometer per hour into meter per second. You know, 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. So instead of 1 kilometer per hour, what we did, we wrote there 5 by 18 meter per second, then multiplied, we got final velocity as 10. Next important problem was time given is 10 minutes. You see, all unit has to be same. Now look here. Now here velocity unit is meter per second and time unit was minute. So you have to convert minute into second. You have to convert what? Minute into second. Then only it will match. So time 10 minutes, it will become 10 into 60, that is 600 second. Now acceleration formula, final velocity minus initial velocity by t. So 10 minus 0 by 600 meter second into second will become second square. So 1 by 60 meter per second square is the acceleration. I hope my children understood. My children understood or not, tell me. Okay, now Sharmila told she understood. Very good, beta. So this is the spirit I want. Oh, that is beta. In the question itself, it is written 60 minute. Then we have to convert 60 minute into seconds. You know, 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Oh, I wrote their minute. Thank you so much. See, my students are so good. So 1 minute is exactly, so here 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 10 minutes is 10 into 60 seconds, that is 600 seconds. Super, fabulous piece of work. And that is 600 seconds. Then average acceleration is equal to v minus u by t, that is 10 minus 0 by 600. That is 10 by 600 is 1 by 60 meter per second square. 1 by 60 meter per second square. Okay. Now let's go to the next question quickly. Everyone ready for next question? Everyone ready for next question? Okay, Darshan is telling yes, ma'am, I'm absolutely ready. Okay, this time a motorcycle is there. Let's see who can drive motorcycle nicely. So this time I'm taking Vineet. Vineet is having a motorcycle. Listen to my story nicely, children. You will be able to do. Vineet is having motorcycle. Oh, Vineet is having motorcycle. And it acquires a velocity of it acquires a velocity of 36 kilometer per hour. Vineet is driving his motorcycle with a velocity of 36 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds. In how many seconds? In 10 seconds, it acquires a velocity of 36 kilometer per hour. Okay. Just after the start. Just after the start. Just after the start. Darshan is telling he is having electric scooter. Seriously. Okay, electric scooter, super beta. Okay, a bicycle. Super. A motorcycle acquire a velocity of 36 kilometer per hour in how many seconds beta? In 10 seconds. Just after the start. Oh, I want a bike. Okay, afterwards, when you will grow up. So a motorcycle acquires velocity of 36 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds after the start. That means where is Vineet right now? Means he is in home. That is the most safest place right now. But see, Vineet's motorcycle. Okay. Now, after how many minute? 10 seconds of his start. So it took 10 seconds for Vineet. Initially, his velocity was 0. And in 10 seconds, now his velocity is 36 kilometer per hour. What a nice rider, Vineet. For me, for bus, I took 10 minutes, 9 minutes. How much minute I took, Ray? 10 minutes to go to this velocity. And you took 10 seconds to go to this velocity. Hats off to you. Super. Fine. Now, everybody, I hope understood na, beta? Everyone understood na? Same question like mine. It is exactly Keshav answer is 1 meter per second square. Okay. Keshav, don't say to Vineet. He will become angry. Now listen. Next part is better. The motorcyclist applies brake. Now what the motorcyclist is doing? The motorcyclist, he went to 36 kilometer per hour speed. And after that, Vineet's mother saw him taking the motorcycle. So what Vineet did? Vineet applied a brake. The motorcyclist applied brakes to slow down the motorcycle. Exactly what this is what happened. Okay, so he applied the brake. Now it takes 20 seconds from here. How much second it took? It took 20 seconds from here to stop. So from here, it took 20 seconds for him to stop. 20 seconds for him to stop. How many seconds? 20 seconds. So beta, let me see, it took how many seconds? 20 seconds for him to stop. Fine. So I'm writing it took 20 seconds for him to stop. It took 20 seconds for him to stop. Find acceleration in two cases. Calculate acceleration in two cases. So what happened exactly, beta? Case number 1, when Vineet was at rest and then he went to B point and then from B his bike went to C point. Vineet bike went to C point. Now here again velocity will become, at the time of stopping, his velocity will become again 0. I will explain, Darshini, one more time I'll explain the question. You tell me one thing. When you start your cycle, what will be your velocity? First, let me answer my questions. When you start your cycle, what is your velocity? 0. Very good. Very good. And when after 10 seconds, what is your velocity here? What is your velocity after 10 seconds? After 10 seconds, you will exactly start paddling your cycle, or in bike, you will accelerate your bike. So when you will accelerate your bike, what will be your velocity? 36 kilometer per hour. And then you saw your mother, that your mother is watching, hey, my child is driving, she's riding a bike. Huh? Then you will get scared and you will slow down. Hey, I'm not doing, I'm just trying. Like that, you will say, and you will retard, you will try to stop the velocity and stop the bike. Yes or no? So, beta 0 at the time of starting, 36 when nobody is watching you, again 0 when mother watched you. Yes or no? Now understood the question? So, you started your bike fast, from rest you started. You from rest you started, you went to B point. At that point it is 36 kilometer, and the moment you saw your mother is watching, again you started giving retardation. Hey, it is not me, it is just trying a lot. So C point, again velocity became 0. Okay, so second Darshan is telling it is reality. Darshan, he didn't got beatings, beta. Now they are telling that discuss the acceleration in both the cases. Discuss the acceleration in both the cases. Okay, discuss the acceleration. So here, beta, one time is there. Hey, T1 time in the first instance when you are speeding your bike, it is 10 second. Time in the second part is 20 second. So here time is given in seconds, but velocity is given in kilometer per hour. So first what work is, we will convert velocity in meter per second. So again we know 36 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, so 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36. So it is coming 10 meter per second. So here at B, the velocity was 10 meter per second. Okay, then it is safe. 10 meter per second. Okay. Now look here. Now what you have to do, they are telling find the acceleration. So acceleration from point A to B. Acceleration from point A to B. That case 0 is the initial velocity. B is exactly having 10 meter per second. Time is exactly 10 seconds. Then what is the acceleration? Therefore, acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. That is, acceleration is equal to 10 minus 0 by 10, and that is acceleration is equal to 1 meter per second square. So I see many children have given. Darshini has given the answer. Keshav has given the answer. Let's see which of you have given the answer first. It's Keshav has given the answer 1 meter per second square. After that case of Vineet, the second one I think is giving beta unit is different. Check Vineet for second one beta. Now look here. Answer is correct, Vineet. Minus will be there, but let's see how to solve. Now acceleration. Acceleration, Leration, Le. Acceleration from point B means where Darshani saw mother. From point B to C. At this point, what will be the velocity? Now, because this velocity, which was final velocity for this case, will become initial velocity for second case. Because B velocity. And what is the velocity of B? 10 meter per second. Now, this will become initial velocity. And what is the velocity here? Final velocity is 0 meter per second. Now, beta, what is the acceleration here? Acceleration is equal to V minus U by T. And beta, what is acceleration here? 0 minus 10 by 20 meter per second square. And Vinith is absolutely correct. Minus 10 by 20 meter per second square. So definitely it is retarding with a speed of half meter per second square. So definitely with Vinith, hats off to you. You have written correct answer. The velocity with which, so the motorcyclist retards, RETARDES, retards the bike or motorcycle at a speed of half meter per second square. There don't write minus beta because minus is retardation. So here negative is retardation. Here negative is retardation. Minus is what? Retardation. What is minus? Retardation. What is minus here beta? Retardation. And half is the magnitude. So the motorcyclist is exactly, it retards the motorcycle at a speed of, retards the motorcycle at a speed of half meter per second square. Let's see how many of my children are super, very good. Darshini, Ashwin, Vineet, very good. Bang on, beta. You deserve that. Deserve. Now, Krisha understood. Tell me, my children understood. All of my children understood or not? Now, those who have not understood, quickly tell auntie one more time. Okay. Super, Vineet. Vishal, that is absolutely correct, Vishal. Lokesh understood. Everyone must understood. Next question. Darshan is so excited. She told, next question, auntie. I am very much ready for next question. Okay. From next class, we will start equation of uniformly accelerated motion. Graph we are going to study. Okay, we are going to study graph from next class. So one more numerical we are going to solve. Auntie, let me in. Who is my child waiting? Oh, Kanishka, sorry. Fine. Now, beta, next one. We will go for next question. Question is, a driver decreases, a driver decreases the speed of car from 25 meter per second to 10 meter per second in 5 seconds. Okay, find the acceleration of the car. Let's see how my children can try this question. So just try to answer the question, beta. And then after that you read Meronisa. Meronisa, there after that you write. No, half will, minus 2 will not be the answer, beta. Minus 1 by 2 will be the answer. So Keshav already solved and saying, auntie, answer is minus 3 meter per second square. Let's see Keshav is correct or wrong. Fine. Let me read the question. But Keshav is the first one. He didn't took time also. Now Vishal is telling minus 3 meter per second square. Wow, these two children have not got even 20 seconds also to solve. Very fast, both of you. Now Darshani is telling minus 3. Vineet is telling minus 3. Darshani minus 3 meter per second square because you are finding acceleration beta. Since you are finding correct, Jiva. Now Jiva has given the answer minus 3 meter per second square. Ashwin also has given the answer minus 3 meter per second square. Darshini also minus 3 meter per second square. So now everybody gave the answer. Kanishka also. Krisha, Vineet gave the answer. Naresh, what is the answer, beta? Okay. Sharmila also gave the answer. Very good, Sharmila. Now look here, beta. Meronisa gave answer, Krisha gave answer. Now look here how to do it, beta. So now understand, I am the driver of the car. Khushbu auntie is the driver of the car. See my car color, how much beautiful my car kai. This is not my car color. So this is my car. Ish, how beautiful my car is. Look here. Now, beta, I have to slow down the speed. What I have to do here, I have to decrease the speed. So, how much is the initial speed? My initial speed is 25 meter per second. No, 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 no. I hate driving. And then beta, it reduced to now final velocity is coming 10 meter per second. And how much time it took? It took 5 seconds. How much time it took, beta? It took 5 seconds to go from point A to point B. And first it was exactly having beta 25 meter per second speed. Then now it is having 10 meter per second. I doctor told me not to drive. Otherwise I'll do accidents, beta. Actually, I'm scared of driving, beta, because otherwise I don't want to. Correct only. Darshina told the answer. Deshna told the answer. Now look here, beta. Initial velocity means the velocity with which you are driving. And now you saw your house is very near. Now you saw what? Your house is very near. Since you saw your house is very near, what you did? You started reducing the speed. And now at B point, what is your speed? At B point, your speed is 10. So now what is the acceleration? Acceleration formula is V minus U by T. V is 10, U is exactly 25, and here is 5. So minus 15 by 3, sorry, minus 15 by 5. So it is cancelling, it is coming minus 3 meter per second square. So here, negative sign indicates case of retardation. Case of retardation here means better now the what you call, now your school car is exactly trying to slow down. Case of retardation. Okay, now, and the retarding acceleration is 3 meter per second square. Means the car is retarding with the acceleration of 3 meter per second square, and negative sign is indicating what? Negative sign is indicating retardation. What negative sign is indicating? Negative sign here indicating is retardation. I hope all of my children understood this concept, beta. Understood or not? Tell me. Understood the concept? Okay. Sharmila is telling yes, understood. Very good, beta. Kanishka is telling yes, understood. Anyone else? Okay, Ashwin understood. Darshini understood. Vishal understood. Jiva understood. Super, very good. Auntie, today physics class is there or not? Right now, this is physics class question going on, beta. Today evening chemistry class, beta. Today evening chemistry class. Now physics class. After this, maths class will be there. So 3 classes a day I am giving. Chemistry class will be total 1 hour. There I will teach you in live stream. Keshav, mute yourself, beta. Sorry, mute your audio, beta. Fine. Now look here, beta. I'm giving an introduction to next topic that is called as equation of uniformly accelerated motion. Equations of uniformly accelerated motion. Equations of uniformly accelerated motion. Keshav, what happened? No problem, beta. Sometimes this happens. Okay, don't be worried. So, equation of uniformly accelerated motion. Correct. Equation of uniformly accelerated motion. So, beta, first, anybody tell me what is uniformly accelerated motion? I asked this definition because it was a very, very important topic. So if you will not be able to understand, equation of uniformly accelerated motion. Equation of what, beta? Uniformly accelerated motion. And what is exactly uniformly accelerated? Nobody told me the answer of uniformly accelerated motion. It is really injustice to me. Only 2, 3, 4, Keshav, Jim, mute, equal amount in equal interval of particular time. Keshav, what definition you've given? Krisha, velocity increases. This is what? Very good, Krisha. Krisha is knowing the content, but she is having fear. The day she will take out the fear, she'll become the boss. When the moving body increase at a uniform rate, this is what is very good. So, this girl is showing potential. Okay, time is less.